Welcome to our presentation on our group assignment for Management Information Systems. We chose option 1 and our company is Cadbury. Shown on the screen is a brief history of Cadbury. As well as their dairy milk bar, Cadbury also produces many other products, including other varieties of dairy milk. They produce bags and single bars of chocolate, which also come in multi-packs. They also make boxes of chocolate for sharing or for gifts. Cadbury also makes seasonal products, and they are available from many outlets. The products can also be bought online and at dedicated Cadbury shops across the country. In addition to their chocolate products, Cadbury also owns Cadbury World, an attraction in Birmingham. It shows the process of making Cadbury's famous chocolate, as well as the history of Cadbury. Tickets cost £10.10 for children and £13.45 for adults, with students and senior citizens getting a discounted rate. The world's largest Cadbury shop is part of the Cadbury World experience. Cadbury's broad product range means that they target many different markets with their products. For example, Flake is aimed more at women than men. The vision in action sets out Cadbury's three main priorities. These are growth, efficiency and capability. The textbook definition of information systems is shown on the screen. IS helps companies to achieve competitive advantage in many ways. These include allowing the user to be able to find the relevant information that they require quickly and easily by performing queries to produce relevant results which can be in the form of graphs. This will enable employees to increase their overall productivity. Cadbury have a database for all the products and gifts that they sell from their website. The database makes it easier for customers to find the products and gifts they wish to buy, but are unavailable from anywhere other than the website. Customers can register for updates on Cadbury and new Cadbury products. These can be received in different ways. The information goes into a database. By updating customers on new products, it encourages customers to revisit the website. Customers can also purchase tickets to Cadbury World on the website, and there are additional resources to help them plan their day. By encouraging customers to book in advance, Cadbury are able to ensure they have enough staff working and are able to stagger group arrival time to reduce customers waiting at the attraction. From any page on the website, the horizontal toolbar is visible. It gives the user the option to navigate between the main sections, so at any time the users can easily redirect to a different or more relevant area of the website. Sign buttons is our term for the interactive icons on the Cadbury homepage. When these are hovered over with the cursor, they become animated and inform the consumer where they will direct them to. The vertical toolbar is visible on every page except for the home page, which is specific to the section that the customer is in. Many of the subheadings are expandable and give the user more options for their navigation around the site. This makes decision-making easy as lots of options for the customer are available at one time. The website offers two different gift search tools, price range or occasion. The price ranges are very reasonable and not too broad, which allows the consumer with a budget to narrow down the search results immediately. There are currently 16 occasions, I think, on the Cadbury website. However, this number fluctuates throughout the year. The occasions that the customer can choose from range from something generic like thank you, to something more Cadbury orientated like Cadbury chocolate favourite. To view a list of Cadbury products available to buy from the website, the customer can either select the Cadbury Gift interactive bus icon or the Cadbury Gift icon from the horizontal toolbar. Once the customer has reached the gift page, they can view the whole range of products or just particular sections by using the toolbar on the left side of the web page. When a product has been chosen the consumer is interested in purchasing, they can select to see more of the product details. If the customer wishes to purchase the product they are viewing the details of, they only need to select the Add to Basket icon. On this page, the most desirable and appropriate delivery method can be chosen. They can also choose not to buy the product. The customer is able to manually enter how many of the product they want and can choose to continue shopping or go straight to the checkout. Once at the checkout, the customer is then required to fill in all their trust details in this form. It has all the normal fields you would expect to find on any online ordering form, including personal payment details, but also asks if there is a gift message, a specific date for the item to be delivered, whether the consumer has any particular delivery note, and if the customer wishes to be included in the Cadbury mailing list. It also gives the option to change the delivery message. Furthermore, Cadbury does offer some form billing sheets, which are fast track and copy address. Fast track can be used if the customer has used the site before to purchase a Cadbury good, and then they are able to fill in their email address and password, and all their details will be retrieved from the customer records. Once the whole form is filled in, then all the customer has to do is click on the place your order icon. We felt it suitable to create a form in which users enter their information into when first registering at Cadbury. By creating a form, it makes the database less complicated and more user-friendly, as all the information is presented to them together on one screen. Once the user has entered their information, it is saved in the individual tables. The two tables that the information is saved in is the customer table and the delivery table. These tables are linked via the delivery ID, which is automatically generated when the form is filled in. Navigation buttons have been created so the user can easily switch between the records or create a new record. We designed and created a product form so users can easily enter in new products when required. When information is entered into the field, a unique product ID is automatically generated and saved to the product table. The navigation buttons help the user switch between records and create new records. A combo box has been created with all the different product types offered on a Cadbury website. When selected, a drop-down menu appears and the choice of which category the new product would fall under is chosen. The majority of information stored in the order table is linked to the primary source tables. Relationships have been formatted, allowing queries going forward to be run selecting information related to a particular order. Drop-down lists have been created by forming lookups from the customer, product and delivery type tables to show information relevant to the field currently selected, making it easier for the user to decide which record to select. The data type of the order is set to date time, with a format of short date helping to ensure only valid dates are inputted. The only attribute within the tour table which requires the user to enter information is the tour date. Otherwise, the information is selected from drop-down menus. Drop-down lists have been created for the customer and ticket type attributes from the relevant primary tables. Once the correct record is selected, the unique ID for that particular entity is stored in the tour table. A drop-down list with preset values has been created for tour times. The date time has been used for the tour date with a format of short dates so users can only input correct dates. Once this information has been input, an individual ID is created for that particular tour. On the screen is the diagram shows the relationship between the tables in our database. At the centre of our Cadbury database is the customer table. We have created our product query so that users can search the product within the Cadbury database. When the query is run, the user is asked to enter the product name they are searching for. Once the data has been selected, the product name and description is displayed. The price of the product is also shown. Within the Cadbury website, this SQL is also run when the user wishes to search for product. The order SQL statement produces a query for the user to see what they have previously ordered. When the user opens the query, they are asked to enter the date of the order and the customer name. The from part of the statement shows which attributes in which tables are linked. The tables are searched for the matching information, then sorted and selected. The information is displayed in alphabetical order by product name. Users can currently view previous orders by visiting the Cadbury website. Previous orders are displayed in report form, therefore we created reports from our database to show this information. When customers book a tour, they receive a summary of their order, which shows the ticket type purchased and the total cost. The information selected from within the query are the ticket type, customers, and the tours table. All of these tables are linked through their primary keys. When the query is selected, the customer is asked to enter their name and date of the tour. Information is displayed by ticket type in ascending order. On the Cadbury website, once you sign into your account, you can view tours that have been booked. This information is displayed in report format, so we created a report from our database to show this information. Our suggestion is to create two different areas of the website, an interactive area with games for children and an area for adults with a more luxurious feel which is easy to use and navigate. By creating a more sophisticated website, it will help to appeal more to a mature audience, as the website is currently more appealing to children who do not purchase products from the site. Lindt and Sprungly, a competitor, has achieved above average organic growth of 5.8 regardless of the economic downturn. This is due to the fact that chocolate is one of the more recession-resilient food sectors. Lindt has a luxurious approach, which in 2008 received a 2% increase in sales. And as 80% of children aged between 5 and 7 only have internet access and an adult is present, the Cadbury website has to be appealing to both adults and children.